Hello friends, now moving further we are trying to create another pattern here, and this is how we are making a nice cartoon over here, and it's a lovely SpongeBob cartoon we are making here, and it's the nice thing that we have drawn so beautifully. And this is how we are making the legs over here and making it more nice and beautiful. And this is how we have completed this nice cartoon drawing by giving the patterns. Next we are trying to make something like this thing over here, and this is how we are trying to create this shape. And now we will try to create the top part with a nice cap over here, and it's a lovely snowman that we have drawn, and so beautifully we have created our nice snowman. And the colors can be given according to our wish, different colors, different looks, so that it makes it more attractive. And a nice Santa Claus snowman we have created. And this is how the cap is colored, and it's almost done. Different colors can be given. Next, it's another face that we have created, and this is how we have made the ear, and this is how we are tying the ponies of this nice cute girl. And this way we are designing her dress as well as her hands over here, and this is how she is holding something in her hand, and so beautifully she is carrying it. And now we will try to make the bathtub, and it's like she is washing her clothes, or this is how she is trying to do her work by herself. And this is the nice eyes we have drawn here, and it's the lovely thing that we have created so nicely. Now moving ahead, we are trying to make something like the shape here, and this is how we are giving the nice looks and making a nice thing over here. And so lovely we are creating the patterns below, and this is how we are making the stomach and making the patterns below like this. And here's the leg that we are creating, and this is the nice thing that we have drawn so nicely. And it's the thing that we have something like this in his hand, and it's the lovely thing that we have created so nicely and so lovely. We now will give the looks to it and make a nice piggy cartoon over here, and this is how it's done. Next we will draw something else, and here's a nice thing or a nice face we are creating. Now the different ears as well as the other looks we are creating here, and this is how we have made a nice pony on top, and it's a nice cute girl that we have designed. And here's we are giving the eyes as well as the eyebrows over here, and making bigger eyes, depicting her nice big dreams over here, and the glittery eye look over here. And this is how we have made a nose, and our girl is almost ready here. And this is how we are designing her clothes, and it's a nice lovely thing we have designed. And now to create the hands, and this is how we'll make a nice girl ready in few minutes, and this is how it's done.